Today, we're unboxing and testing the ADKIDO 4K PTZ camera, a powerful tool designed for conferencing, churches, and schools. This camera boasts an impressive array of features, making it a versatile choice for various applications. Let's start with the PTZ capabilities. The 20x optical zoom provides an exceptional range, allowing you to capture detailed shots from a distance. This feature is a game changer for large conference rooms or church halls, ensuring every attendee is visible on screen. The PTZ controls are smooth and responsive, making it easy to frame your shots precisely. The 4K resolution is a standout feature, offering crystal clear image quality. Whether you're streaming online or recording, the level of detail is exceptional. The camera's ability to output 4K 30 via HDMI, 3G SDI, and USB 3.0 ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices and setups. This flexibility is a huge advantage, especially for those with diverse technical requirements. For those streaming online, the IP streaming output is a dream. The camera's ability to deliver high-quality streams directly to your platform of choice is a huge time saver and ensures a professional-looking broadcast. The HDMI output is also a great feature for connecting to displays or recording devices, providing a direct feed with minimal latency. The inclusion of USB 3.0 is a welcome addition, especially for those using the camera for video conferencing. This connection offers a stable and high-speed data transfer, ensuring smooth and lag-free video calls. In terms of build quality, the ADKIDO camera is solid and well-constructed. The all-metal housing feels durable, and the controls are responsive and easy to use. The camera's compact size is also a plus, making it easy to integrate into various environments without being obtrusive. Overall, the ADKIDO 4K PTZ camera is an exceptional choice for anyone needing a versatile and high-quality camera. Its feature set, combined with its build quality and ease of use, makes it a top contender in its class. Whether you're a professional broadcaster, a church looking to upgrade its streaming capabilities, or a school needing a reliable conferencing solution, this camera delivers on all fronts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.